Garter stitch is a very easy knit. It consists of only knit stitches and produces a double-sided fabric, particularly suitable for knitting shawls and scarves. Here I cast on a few stitches. I used a long tail cast on method, and I'm going to knit a few rows in garter stitch. This is my yarn tail, and I'm going to hold the working yarn under my left needle tip and behind the work. I will insert my right needle left to right knitwise into the first stitch and slip it off. And then the following stitch is a knit stitch. And I recommend to tighten the first two stitches a little bit so you don't get baggy columns. And we simply knit the rest of the stitches until the very end. I'm using a Continental method, and you can use whatever you prefer. And the last stitches also are knit stitches. So this is the first row. Now I turn my work around, and again it's very important that I place my working yarn under the left needle tip and behind my work. And I'm going to repeat the same steps. I will insert my right needle left to right or knitwise into the first stitch, slip it off, and knit the second stitch. Tighten the first two stitches and continue knitting all the remaining stitches until the very end. So now I finished 2 rows. This is how it looks on one side. And this is the other side. And again, it's important that the working yarn is under the left needle tip and behind the work. So again, I repeat, I slip knitwise the first stitch, knit the second stitch, tighten the first 2 stitches a little bit, and work all the remaining stitches as knit stitches. Turn around. Again, place my working yarn under the left needle tip and behind the work. You can see the edge is forming. So slip again the first stitch knitwise, knit the second stitch, tighten a little bit, and work the rest of the stitches as knit stitches until the very end. So this is how my little sample looks like, and this is one side, and you can see the cast on row on one side as well, and on the other side the knitted fabric looks very similar, and the only difference is a slight difference in the appearance of the cast on row. And these are the sides of the knitting, the edge stitches. They look sort of rolled over or purled. A very pretty look, very special for garter stitch.